ꯂꯝꯗꯝ MCS officer khara transfer tawbaga loinana thabaki post khara hongdok hongjin tawre haina Department of Personnel and Administrative Reforms ki order amana hairi under Secretary DP Mayengbam Ranjitana Thopa order adun hai Additional Secretary Home amasung Relief and Disaster Management LDA ki Project Director amade Relief and Rehabilitation ki Director H Balkrishna na Additional Secretary Home amasung Relief and Disaster Management amade LDA ki Project Director oiragani DP Works ki Joint Secretary Bidyarani Ayekpamna Relief and Rehabilitation ki Director oina su thopuragani Dr. Sonia Oinamna Director MIS Controller of Examination Manipur Staff Selection Commission amadi Registrar Manipur Staff Selection Commission oina puragani Darial Julie Analna Joint Secretary TA and Hills Horticulture and SC amadi MPSC ki Controller of Examination oina puragani Anjali Chingthamna Joint Secretary Education ACE amadi Joint Secretary Manipur Staff Selection Commission amadi ASPD SSA oina puragani Songai Reng Kupoi Aimolna Planning amasung Social Welfare gi Joint Secretary oina thopuragani Solomon Lalailiana Swangdogi SDO Video in charge oiragani aduga Churachandpur gi DSWO in charge oina su thopuragani hairi aduga Ranjit Maisnamna Directorate of Settlement and Land Records ki Survey and Settlement Officer in charge oiragani hairi